Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. Today is our day 22 of DevOps English Series 2025, and today we are going to discuss about permission management in Linux. So first of all, we should understand that what is the permission, right? So in earlier session we have learned that how you can create directory and what is directory, how you can create file and what is the file using mkdir command and touch command. So in that file and in directories, if you want to work any user like Vivek user, Neeraj user, so we have to give proper permission to them, right? Suppose that we have one directory that is the DevOps directory. Okay, in that DevOps directory, I want to give permission to Vivek user to write something or to create any file or directories. How you can assign, as well as we have any file, in that file content is there like hello cloud with Vivek. So in that file, who can read? So how you will assign permission? So for that purpose, we have to learn about permission management. So first of all guys, we have three type of permission. First permission is for read only. Okay, so if we are talking about read, so it will be indicated by either character or it will be either numerical digit. Okay, so r or 2, there is two method, number method and character method. So 2 you can use for numerical method, R you can use for character method. Second one, W for write, X for execute. The numerical value for read is 2, for write 4 and execute 1. Okay. So we have three values. After that, if you want to check permission of any file or directory, so how you can check? Suppose that I am going to create. So just a minute, it is disconnected. So need to connect again. So just a second on it. Okay. So now come back. Suppose that we are gonna create here one directory, that is the mkdir aws and touch. We are creating a file. So touch linux is our file name. Okay. So if you want to use, sorry, if you want to list permission, so what you can use, ls-l command. So you can see this permission, this permission. Okay, so in file and directories we have different type of permission. So this type of output you will get. First of all, this d, it will denote that this is your directory, it will indicate it is a directory. This first field permission will give information about owner permission, that who, which user created this file or directory, what will be permission for them. So that will be defined in first field. After that, second field group. So suppose that you will create any file or directory, so there will be any group. Okay, so if that directory or file will be member of that group, so what will be permission of that members group. Okay, after that, other user. So other user can be any user like xyz, Julie, Rose, it can be any name. After that, there is a what, this three, this three is indicating that how many link files are available for this folder. Okay, or this directory or this file. After that, this is the name of owner, that who created this file or directory. After that, this is the name of group member, means which user created, so what is the name of group of that one. After that, this is the timestamp and this is the size of file. Okay, so this type of information you are getting. Now what we have to do guys, come and you can check. So you are getting this type of permission. Okay, and in the case of file, so by default this link value will be 2 for directories and will be 1 for file. If there is more than 2 value, then it means there are multiple link of that directory. We will discuss about hard link and soft link. After that, there is what, numerical value 1. So it will indicate that there is no link file for this file. If there is numerical value 2, 3, 4, 5, it means there is multiple file linked with this linux file. Okay, so I hope it will be clear for everyone. Now if you want to check it, that what is the permission, so first of all you should understand that what is the meaning of read, write, execute. Okay, in the case of file, user can run which command? Cat command, nl command, beam command, head command, tell command. So this type of command user can execute where, in any file, if permission is assigned for read, if permission is assigned for write permission, so you will successfully, sorry, beam will be not option there, sorry. Okay, so we need to remove beam from here. So what you will do, if you are using text editor command, so vim command you can use for writing purpose. After that you can use cat command to create file, as well as you can use vi nano get it. Okay, so this type of command, which are the text editor commands or file creation command, so you can use for creating file or directories. After that, execute means run as a script. So if there is any file and in that file execute permission is assigned, it means you can execute that file or you can run as a script. In the case of directory, what is in the case of directory, r means you can use r means read means you can use ls command. Okay, so I am giving just only overview. Means if there is any directory, in that directory user have permission, so user can run ls command. After that, w4, right, so user can run touch command, mkdir command, this type of command. Next is what, x for execute. So if user has execution permission, it means user can execute cd command or user can run cd command. So this is the method that how you can do. Okay, after that, there is one value guys that is called umask value. What is umask value? So there will be question that, sir, why this default permission we are getting, right? So that is the due to umask value. So if you want to check umask value, you can simply run umask value. So user has, root user has umask value double two, and for normal user, if you want to check, you can use, so that will be only two. So 2 and double 2. Okay, so this is the umask value of user. So now come and check. So if any user will create any directory, normal user I'm talking, if any normal user will create any directory, so full permission is what, 777. So this, if you will calculate 2 4 plus 1, it will be 7. So first 7 is for owner permission, second 7 is for group member permission, third 7 is for other user permission. Okay, so you can define if you want to assign only numerical values like 4, okay, for write purpose, 2 for read purpose, 1 for execute purpose. So this type. So if you will minus this one, so 7 7 5 permission will be assigned, in which case if any normal user is creating, okay, directory or file. If you are creating any user, root user, so what is the full permission? 777. What is the full permission guys? 777. Okay, so if you will minus 777 and 022, what you will do? 777 and 022, so what will be permission guys? In that case, 777 022, so in that case permission will be 755. Okay, so it means if normal user is creating file or directories, so other user and group members are getting more permission in that file and directories, and if root user will create, then other user and group member will get less permission. So this is the security point of view. Okay, so I hope this will be clear for all of you. So guys, this was the our theoretical session. Okay, in next session I will tell you how you can change permission of any file or directories using chmod command, how you can change ownership of any file or directories, as well as how you can change group of any file or directories. After that, we will come on topic of ACL, access control list. So all these things we will continue. So if really you are getting knowledge from my videos, so you can like, subscribe my videos, as well as you can share my videos with your LinkedIn family and Facebook member. So thank you to all of you. Have a good day. We will meet on next video. Thank you.